Hey friends, it's Miss Margaret again. Today we're going to do an activity with some science in it. I don't know about you, but at my house we have a lot of these paper towel rolls that are empty and toilet paper rolls that are empty. And I have some Pom Poms and a ball and a cute little car and some tape and a bucket. And we're going to make a really cool track for the ball and the car and the pom-pom to go through. You can either attach it to your refrigerator if mom and dad say okay, or a wall, or a poster board. Get mine on. That's what I'm going to attach it to today. I'm going to attach it to a poster board. And what we're going to do is we're going to put the poster board right here. And then we're going to take our tape. We're going to take our tape and we're going to get a piece of tape. And we're going to, I think I will take a paper towel roll first. I'm going to take the paper towel roll and I'm going to put it on my board, just like this. So I'm just taping it to my board. And then I think I will take one of the toilet paper rolls and tape that next to my board, like this, making a little tube. Uh-oh, fell down. Making a little tube, just like this. Add some more tape right here. So there's my tube, even a little spot in between. And then I can take another paper towel roll and put it next to that one. So see, I have two paper towel rolls and a toilet paper roll, and it goes down in a line. But I want to see what happens when I put a car in it. Do you want to see what happens? Wait just a minute and we'll see. Okay friends, as you can see, I added another tree over here on this side, and I have my bucket on the bottom. Do you want to see what happens? I'm going to take a little car I have, and I'm going to stick it in here. And look, did you see that? The car went through the tube and into the bucket. Let's try the ball. Here's my ball. Put it in the tube. Cool, went right through to the bucket. Let's try this one. Should we try this one? We'll take the car. Here, I'll get a different one. I'll take a little red car this time. I'm gonna stick it right in the top. And it goes through too, right into the bucket. I can take my ball and put it through. And the ball went right through the bucket. Do you think you can make one of these at home? Like a little pipe construction? And see what toys you can put through and what will fall out and into the bucket. So that is our science experiment for today. Hope you have a good day. Bye friends.